I'm shooting today again with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Here on fish in 10-bit and H-log. Yeah, I set the vlog profile custom up to my liking. I got the sun like at 2 o'clock position in my eye. So as you can see, the sun is in your eye. I'm happy using the Action 5 Pro, but there are people out there, they're just not happy with their Action 5 Pro. And I hear that the Ace dropped down to $229, but it ain't a Pro. I'm after another software. Yes, indeed. It's about $79.99, and you get just about everything imaginable in it. And just like everything, there is a problem. Always a problem, if asked. Yeah, man, like this helmet. Is it leveled, horizon balanced on my head? Is the sun hitting me in my eyes because of the camera? Is the editor doing a good job and I should just basically update it? Yeah, I'm talking about Wondershare Filmora 13 that I'm going to update to 14. But I don't want to update today. You know, there wasn't a sale, so it's really not much of a saving. Maybe $10, a couple of AI credits, this and that. But when that day comes, will it drop down in price? Will it be worth getting it? I don't think the price will drop down any further. But I can live without multicam. I like to get plainer. I could deal without some of the other AI things. But you know, one or two things just may not be worth it. I'm getting on out of here. I'm gonna head on back. Out of here, baby. Oh yeah, man. Come on, join me. Now, I would like to see in the DJI Osmo Action 6 Pro, a buzzer, a vibration. In the Action 5 Pro, why didn't we not get peace, baby? Hey, hand gestures. Maybe the H Pro's gonna have it. They already got it. The H Pro 2 may have more gestures than you can imagine. DJI still cannot get voice commands working the way we want it to. I don't care how my camera's sitting. I'm not on horizon balance. I'm on H-log. And I think I'm on wide. And I'm beginning to like using wide and H-log. Definitely on rock steady and wide and H-log in 4K 30 frames per second. And the sun is right there in your eyes. So that means this shot would be dark and I should be brighter in HDR, high dynamic range, make my darks darker. Maybe if there's a rock on that side, I'll look better. So let me go switch around. Well, I did switch around, so now the sun is like 10 o'clock. And look what I got here. I got a ball. I can't see and I can't get it on my fingers and spin and bounce and this and that. Catch. Man, I tell you, you're looking for a camera. Yeah, I already got the camera. And you want a Ace Pro, an Ace Pro 2. And in order to film a shot like this, you have to have the screen flipped up to see what you're doing. I gave up those days with the Hero 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. When the DJI Osmo Action came out and the GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, as well as the action 3 and 4 and 5. I got the front screen. Why do I want to go backwards to an old-fashioned type model? You tell me. You tell me why I want to get an H Pro 2 that doesn't have a front-facing camera. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'm on slow motion, and I'm gonna put this down towards the camera. I meant to say ball. I hope that was a good shot. Share the video. But I hardly do time lapses and put them in. I don't do that stuff anymore like I used to. Take my time, sit down, and make a real story, show it. I just do a lot of talk. I got your attention though. Kind of interested, right? Don't shoot with the sun on your back facing the camera. Shoot it facing forward in your eyes. You get a better shot. Well, I want to say this and see if you catch what I say. I got this. And yeah, 150 to go. So maybe I'll name this video Countdown 150. My next one, Countdown 149. Well, I said a lot, shared a lot, did a lot, showed a lot. Oh yeah, I'm back to the old school style. I do what I like to do best, and you do like what you like to do best. I know you can't help it, and I just can't help myself. What a waste of 5 seconds. Do that. Waste 5 seconds of your clip before you end. Just hold it. Freeze. Let it go. Let it go. Look, a hobo. That's a recycler, not a hobo fish. And on that note, I'll see you on many other videos to come.